Hello guys, what's up? So last few days we have seen that the markets have rallied furiously across the globe. Like all the US market was up, European markets were up, Asian markets were up. So we have seen rally across the index in the past m- 2 to 3 or a month, 2 to 3 weeks or a month. Yeah. So let's see what is here on the table for us for the coming weeks ahead. Let's make a plan. Currently, I have Dow Jones on my charts. Dow Jones, as you can see, it's currently on a downtrend. It's not upward trending. It's on a downtrend, and it has broken this area of what do you say, which is resistance now. It was supports before. It is currently sustaining below it. If it goes above this, we might see some strength coming in from dollar index, not Dow Jones, sorry. And we might see some bullishness here, which might put some pressures on the emerging market. But this is not what do you say, a very significant thing that might happen right now, as the markets are very furious. Currently, as you can see, Dow Jones, I'll just show you the weekly charts. It is sitting almost at its all-time high. Let's see what it does here. If it closes above uh, this last year's all-time high, December 2021, so 2 years before now. If it breaks above this all-time high, I think we are likely to head up, but we are likely to face some resistances here. We might, not likely, but I would love US markets to make an all-time high and break above this resistances. But let's wait till the time it is broken out. This is Nasdaq Composite, charts of Nasdaq Composite. I've just observed some kind of what do you say, inverted head and shoulder, which gives us a very big target if this pattern works. And the target is like a 29% upside from here. But for this, we have to break the all-time high. So our first target can be the all-time high, and then we can take this as a target too. A target to us 18,600 approximately, and this is approximately a 30% upside from where we are. So let's see how the things go. But the markets, a broader view, it's still bullish. No shorts in the system as of yet. I'm still holding some put shorts on the market. I'm holding some calls long with debit spreads. Like I've bought some calls of the ATM strikes and sold some OTM call options just to earn some premium or theta from the OTM calls that I'm paying for the ATM calls. Yeah. Uh, so yeah, this is the charts of S&P 500. Again, we have the target of all-time high, and I've also given you the upside targets as this is approximately 5,000 level and then 5,200. But yet 4,800 be the crucial resistances here. But I see no resistances till this zone of 4,800. So until and unless we are sustaining this breakout of this descending trend line, and yeah, we might or we are likely to head up to 4,800. Russell 2000 looks good. We talked about this fake breakdown. Now I think that this is a bottom, and we won't see this levels again in Russell 2000. And we might break out. My view is that I think that now we are likely to break out above this channel, as we have consolidated for quite a long time. And I think that if we break out of this channel, we are likely to head here, somewhere here. That's what my view is. Yeah. If yeah, that's I think this is the all-time high where I think we might be heading. These are the targets for Russell 2000 if we break above, but for the short term, the targets can still be up, here at the resistance of this channel. Yeah, 18% upside and then a 24% upside. Overall, a 24% for the all-time high. So big targets on the market. Markets. So this is a long-term view. Don't try to scalp this out. If you want to like play this long-term view, you can be long on the equities. You can buy futures and keep rolling it over month on month. That's how you'll be likely to capture this big move. But what do you say? This is not a move for this is not a view for scalpers, because you can go short on the market for very small time frames, but the broader market is bullish, so I won't suggest any positional shorts. Positional longs are advised here at current levels, and we are likely to see further up levels. This is again Dow Jones futures. We have talked about Dow Jones. It is also showing some sign of a bull sign, and this futures, I think futures has given a all time high closing here. So the highest closing was this. The last week's closing is the all-time high. closing on futures in Dow Jones. So this is again indicating that. So futures generally indicate where the market is likely to go. So currently the future is trading at a premium, not much, but so this is just trading at a 40-50 points premium, but the futures has made an all-time high. Last time, if you can see, just a quick observation, this was 27 December 2021, and the futures highest closing was uh, this candle's close was 36,302. Let's see what was the highest closing on Dow Jones. I think this is the highest closing. The closing is 36,338. So last time, this highest closing was 36,338. The closing on futures was 36,302. So futures did not. So last time when the market was at all-time high levels, futures indicated that they were trading at a discount. So the discount, I mean that the future value last time here when the market was somewhere here compared to the spot was low. By that I mean that it was indicating that the market might not go further upside from there. That's what happened on the charts. We took a resistance from here. We sold off to the lows of September 2022. But now futures is indicating a what do you say, a premium, which means that the futures people are buying Dow Jones in futures as they think that the market is likely to further go up. This is a positive sign. Uh, this generally happens when the market is we are in a bull market, or we are likely trading in a bull market. That's what we are doing. So this is a good sign. I hope this is a very good observation that you guys also can have on the spot charts and the future charts. It can be equities, it can be indexes, it can be currencies, whatever. Yeah. So yeah, this was all about the US market. This is the another composite of S&P 500 DAX composite. It is also trading at like the upper end of the channel, likely to break out. Again, I'm just giving a glimpse of whatever is happening around the globe. This is the UK market. It is also at the resistance, might break out, might take some resistances, but being, what do I mean by being at resistances? This is CAD breaking out, DAX breaking out. So when the markets are at the resistances, it is not our way, or it is not our decision, or it is not wise to say that it is going to get sold off from here. So when the markets are at resistances, it is mostly so. What I'm trying to say here is you don't get bearish on the resistances. It's rather you wait for the further price action to unfold. So the other indexes, or the majority of the indexes, have broken out. Some of them are in resistances. That does not tell us to be short on the market, as the broader market is, what do you say, bullish. So I don't see any sign of bearishness in this market, and we might be going up from here. I will show you the Taiwan index. This is also breaking out of its highs of July 2023. It is also like closed above this resistance area, as you can see. And we are likely to head up till this level, mostly if we sustain above this. Yeah, again, VIX is trading at its all-time lows. What do you say? All-time lows. So this generally tells us that the rally which is currently happening in the market is happening on a low fear, which means that the rally is more likely to sustain. This is general interpretation of the VIX. So the rallies which happen on low VIX are more likely to sustain than the rallies that happen on high VIX, because high VIX tends to tell us that there is fear in the market. And generally fear comes when the market, or fear is a good indicator when you are short, or when you are thinking that market is likely to go down. So when the market is going up, we want the VIX to fall, and when the market is going down, we want the VIX to go up, which will, what do you say, it will be a supporting indicator for us to be long or short. Currently VIX is supporting us as our view is bullish and VIX is going down. If our view was bearish and the VIX was going up, it would be a supporting indicator again. Yeah. Uh, yeah, just to show you charts of USD INR. USD INR is still, what do you say, trading at its all-time high. We talked about this breakout. If you guys had traded this, I traded this because I talked about this sideways range like for a very long time. And now that we are finally up, the view is bullish on USD INR. I don't see any sort of resistances coming here, because we are trading at all-time high. Yeah. Crude oil is again at what do you say, downtrend, as you can see in the chart. Pure downtrend. this all, I'm just showing you these charts today, the crude oil, the futures chart, to tell you. So crude trading at, so crude is generally, what do you say, just to give you a broader context, crude oil is used as an industrial raw material. It is, I think, the most used industrial raw material. If you talk of any sector, I don't think, even though the electricity boom has come up, the green energy has come up, we are still highly dependent on fossil fuels. So crude is one of the most important commodities which we commodity which we are dependent on. And the crude oil trading at a very low price, or trading at cheap, what do you say, is a very good sign that the industries that benefit from low prices of crude oil, so the most of the industries are benefiting from the low prices of crude oil, as transport is less costly, and like cargo, yeah, transport, petrol is also used in cars and trucks. So so most of the industries are benefiting out of it, and that's what I think, this is what we are seeing on the charts of stock market. The stock market is going up, and we are getting this supporting indicators from everywhere. Dow Jones dollar index is trading lower. It is a supporting indicator. Crude oil is trading lower. So this tells us that the VIX is low. This tells us that this rally that is happening currently in the market is authentic. It's not some kind of a bull trap, or people are, what do you say, hedge funds or big institutions are selling their positions. I think these, while looking at a broader market and intermarket relationships, we are doing quite comfortable, and we might stay bullish for months or days to come. So coming back to the Indian markets now, Nifty is, it's just beautiful. The chart is just beautiful. We are currently trading at all-time highs. We gapped up last week, and we had a follow-up to the gap up. Currently, we went sideways for 3 days, and on a smaller chart. So the long-term view is bullish, right? It's clear. I have a broader target of 22,000 on Nifty. We are currently near 21,000. So I just came to the intraday chart because I have already given out my view, like a long-term view on the videos that I have made before. You can go and refer to my revel, just to tell you that 21,000 is still a crucial resistance. Not a crucial resistance. If we break above this, there is no hurdle. You can easily go long on the market with a stop loss below this level of 2850. This can be a trailing stop loss, as there is some kind of a accumulation that has happened here again. Or if you want a little bit more conservative stop loss, that your stop losses don't get hit, 20,700 can be another good stop loss. This is generally telling us that some people have their stop losses here. If big money has accumulated their positions here and here, their stop losses might be here, or they might even play more conservative, and their stop losses can be all at 20,500. So these are our three stop losses. You can treat it as long-term stop loss, long-term position stop loss, medium-term position stop loss, short-term position stop loss, and you can be long on the markets. Let this 21,000 break, and you can be long for example, if you're scalping out the market, you can be long for 100 points or 50 points. If your target is a little medium term, you can be long for like 500 points. So if we break above this 21,000, the next target for medium term longs can be 21,500, and then 22,000 as target too. But for a long term guy, I think if we break above 21,000, 22,000 should be the ideal target from here on. And then again, you can keep trailing, like I've told you, 500 points for medium term uh, positions, 100 for short term positions, 1,000 points for long term positions. So that's how you'll be playing the market, because now we don't have any resistances on the upside to take out the levels. So we will have to play like that. Now, I think Bank Nifty has started to some type of, what do you say, outperform Nifty. Currently, as you can see, I'm just telling this by seeing the intraday charts. Nifty has still not crossed its Friday high. Bank Nifty is above its Friday high, and had closed on Friday intraday high, and has had closed at all-time high when the market closed on Friday. I think it might outperform Nifty for a short-term time or a medium-term time. And again, I see a, what do you say, inverted head and shoulder again on Bank Nifty. So if I take out a target of inverted head and shoulder on Bank Nifty, our good target from here can be approximately 48,000 levels. I'm just taking round number. And some, what do you say, again, you can follow, for example, 500 points as a good targets here in Bank Nifty. So 47,500 is the first target from here on. As I'm just telling, I love to take 500 points in Bank Nifty. It works really good. It works really like good. So like 500 points, I mean that 47,000, 47,500, 48,000. So this is 47,500. I'm treating this as a target, and then there is 48,000, and then again you can put 500 of targets and keep trailing your long term, medium term positions. Scalpers, you can get on and off in Bank Nifty with a 200 point scalp, something like that. So yeah, this was about it for today. The market looks really good. Just one last thing. Hmm, I just wanted to show some of the stocks which are in my radar. You can keep a watch. These stocks are doing quite well. So NMDC, I have all the outperformers because I love to trade outperformers when the markets are bullish, because these are the stocks where I get that huge moves. So for example, if an index is moving 2%, Nifty or Bank Nifty, these stocks are likely to move 5% in a day. So this candle of 28 November in NMDC, it was a 5% move. So you won't get such moves in index. That's where you have to um, have some stocks. So I have a target of 200 in NMDC. I'm trying to trail my positions here. So keep a watch on this stock. And yeah, Tata Motor, again, very good stock at all time high. Um, it is again outperforming. Let's see how it goes. Tata Motor is currently, my chart is sorry, it's really messy, but I see a target of what do you say, 1715 Tata Motors. DLF is the best pick that I have. Next target on DLF, if it is sustaining above 16,650, it's 700, and then so on. I have a target of all time high in DLF. That's about 1,000 rupees. 1,000 rupees in DLF. Yeah, 1,000. Yeah, this is what my target is on DLF. So yeah, just have a look at my watch list. You can go and watch the stocks. Just ignore this. Coforge is again a very good pick. It is near its all-time high and it is likely to break out. It might break out. Hindalco is one of my very good picks here. I have a target of all-time high again. So we are currently at, what do you say, 520 levels, and I have a target of 1620 all-time high of Hindalco. So yeah, keep a watch on the stocks that I've given you, and uh, watch out the levels that I've given in the markets, and no shorts in the system for now. If I see any, what do you say, any bearishness in the market or any signs that the market might reverse, I will come out on my Telegram channel. I will also make a YouTube video. Uh, However, the Telegram is pretty fast, so you can follow my Telegram channel. You'll get the link in the description. I will come out and I will let you know if there is any change in the view. Also, do support my. So I have an Instagram page called Calculated Risk. I'm trying to make some good content, really good content there, trying to increase your so it is like your daily financial newspaper that we have made interesting. So you can follow that page. So while scrolling your Instagram, you can sometimes also get good updates from us, which will keep you financially updated and also increase your financial literacy, and you'll give you important updates, what is globally happening, what are the global macro updates. So I would love if you guys follow that page. Also follow me on Instagram. I do keep issuing a lot of updates. Follow me on Twitter. I keep giving out a lot of trades as well. So you can go and follow my social medias. I'm not trying to market myself, but it would really benefit you here if you do support us and support my pages. Thank you so much.